Alright guys, so we're almost there. We have our functionality. We just need to change the UI, make it look a little better. So we're going to use Bootstrap, and I'm actually going to use Bower to install it. So we want to be in our command line, not in the server folder. You want to be in the socket chat root. And if you don't have Bower installed, just go ahead and run npm install -g Bower. Alright, I already have it installed, so I'm not going to do it. And then what we want to do is say Bower install --save Bootstrap. Alright, and that should create a Bower components folder, which is right here. Okay, and you can see we have Bootstrap and jQuery. Alright, so we want to go to our index.html file and include those two files. Let's go right here. Style sheet. Okay, and then the link is going to be Bower components /bootstrap /dist /css /bootstrap.css. Alright, and then we also want to include both the JavaScript, the Bootstrap JavaScript file, and jQuery. So down here, we'll first do jQuery. So that's going to be Bower components /jQuery dist jQuery.js. Alright, I'm going to copy that. And then this one here will be bootstrap /dist /js /bootstrap.js. Alright, let's save that and let's start the Angular app back up with npm start. Alright, so you can see that this is actually this still has some style from the default style CSS, so let's go there and just get rid of everything. So we want to go to this styles.css and just delete everything there and save it. Alright, so now that's out and Bootstrap is in effect. Alright, now I want to have a nav bar just for looks. We're not going to have a menu, but I would like to just have the nav bar for looks. So let's go to get Bootstrap, get started, and go down to where the examples are, this starter template. Look at the source code, and we're going to grab from the nav tag here all the way to the ending container. Alright, and we're going to go and put that in our app.component.html file. Alright, and then down here in the container, let's get rid of this and put in our chat directive. Okay, and now up here we're going to get rid of this navbar fixed hop class, and I'm going to change this inverse to default to make it a lighter color, and the project name, socket chat, and then I'm going to get rid of these LIs here. Alright, so let's save that. Okay, now you can see we have this nice nav bar. And I think that should be it for the app component HTML file. Now let's go to the chat component HTML. And up here, let's put a class of row onto this div. And let's say div class call md6. And that's going to end right here. Alright, and let's see, let's put, for this input, we're going to put a class in here, and we're going to call it form control, which is a Bootstrap class. And then for the button, let's put a class of btn, and btn default. Okay, I'm going to make this a little wider. Alright, and then let's see, let's go in here. I'm actually going to put an H1 right here. And we'll say socket chat. Okay, and then this input, this will also get a class of form control. And in here, let's wrap each chat with a div and a class of well, which will give it a background color and some padding. And then this here, please log into chat. This div, I'm going to give it a class of text center. Alright, so let's save that, take a look. And let's go ahead and type something in here. Alright, so that looks pretty good. If we want, let's check from another browser. Make sure everything still works. Okay, so we can't chat yet. We need to put a name in here. Say Jeff. Submit. Okay, so that, oh, never mind. It already did open. Alright, so let's say hello. And then if we were to respond as Brad. Okay, that's correct. Let's take a look at this one. Alright, so it looks like our functionality is working and our UI looks good. So that's going to be it. Now, I know that this switched to Jeff in this window as well. That's because we're on the same machine. If he was in a different location, that wouldn't happen. Okay, it's all local. So I think that's it, and hopefully you liked this project and you'll use socket.io in the future. It's a really nice technology for real-time applications. But that's it. Thanks for watching.